Want to learn how to make your own custom labels for mini Powerade and Gatorade bottles using Canva? Then keep on watching. Hey y'all, Victoria Shree here with Pretty Party and Crafty, and we're going to jump right into how you can make your own mini sports drink labels. First, if you want to already have it pre-formatted with the template and your own mockup, I will link in the description where you can get the template and mockup from. But if you want to do it from scratch, when you create your template document, you want to size this to 8.5 by 2.5 inches. All right. And then also the middle guides let you know where the important information needs to be. So again, if you're creating a template by yourself, you want to have the first guide at 3.239. and the second guide at 5.246. So this is where you want to keep the important information that you want on the front of the mini sports drink label. Okay, I'm going to just zoom in for a moment. Now, if you get this template from us and you do not see the purple guidelines, what you want to do is on your keyboard, you're going to hit Shift and the letter R, and you'll see the guidelines and the rulers. All right, and to get started, it's pretty much really easy. All you're doing is changing the background colors, adding text, and adding graphics. All right, so I'm going to speed the design process up, but again, just go on the left side panel, select elements to add elements. You can upload images, add text. It's completely up to you. Now, if you actually really like this design, I'll be sure to add this to my website, and I'll include the link in the description as well. But once you're done, we'll get ready to download. All right, so now that we have it designed, what we want to do is download it and create a print sheet. So I'm only going to download page 1. I'm going to click Share, Download. I like to bring this up to 1.625 because it gives 300 dpi. Select Pages. Make sure you're on current page, only page 1. We're going to hit Done, and I'm going to hit Download. Now, if you're creating your own print sheet, what you want to do is create a document that's 8.5 by 11. And when you bring the design in, make sure that you resize it to 8.5 by 2.5 in case it comes in smaller. And then just fill the page with your design. Now, our template comes with this print sheet. So all you would have to do is drag and drop your design into the frames. So this is ready to download and print. So I'm going to click on Share. I'm going to select Download. I'm going to change that to PDF Print, Flatten PDF, and Download. Once you have it open, it's going to open up in your PDF reader. Mine is Adobe. I'm going to click on the printer icon. You're going to choose your printer in the drop-down menu and click on Properties. Now, I have my settings saved as a preset, but you want to make sure that you select the paper source, document size, paper type should be photo paper glossy, and I also have borderless checked with minimum expansion, and then go ahead and print. So this is what it looks like once I have it printed. It's nice, shiny, glossy. We love it. I printed this on our Party Printables vinyl. This is 8.5 by 11. Now, you do need to cut because this is not die cut. All right, so I'm just using a paper trimmer to trim it down to size. Now, because I did print borderless, I'm saving a little bit of time because I printed at the very top and very bottom. And again, this is made to fit the 12-ounce mini sports drink label, so both the Powerade and the Gatorade. All right, so now we're just removing the liner and we're wrapping it around the bottle, and that's it. So this is the finished product. Hopefully you learned something new. If you did, be sure to like and follow for more. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Later, y'all.